How to add or change the cover photo for your Google business profile. Hey everyone and welcome. I hope you're all doing great. In this video I will show you step by step how to do so. We can do it very easily, and I will show you exactly how. So the first thing is going to be you will need to be logged in into the same account that you create the business in. Otherwise you won't be able to edit anything, not only the cover image but really anything. So make sure you're logged in into that account or a manager account. So that's the first step. Secondly, you will need to just go to google.com and search up the name of the business that you created. So I'm just going to search for the company that I created, which is just a dummy one for these types of videos. And once you search for the name, if it is public, you will be able to see it right away. But if not, you will see something like this. You manage this business profile, only visible to managers. Obviously, it's just going to show you the name of the business with the profile picture of the actual business. So all you need to do, if you see this, just click on view profile. But if you already see this, then you're pretty much, set. If none of those show up for you, or you see the business but you can't really do anything here, in that case, you're not logged in into the proper email. So like I said, just make sure you're logged in into the email that you create the business in. So now that this is done, all we need to do is just go ahead and within these options, click on the photos section here. So you will find photos, and you would want to just go ahead and click on that. And then from here, you'll be able to add a cover photo, a logo, and also the image for the actual business. So in here, you obviously just want to click on add a cover photo. If you already had one, you can just go and click on it again, and you'll be able to change it. So once you click on this is just going to show up here for us, and you can just go ahead and drag and drop, or just select a photo from your computer. So in my case, I'm just going to go for this one. Again, this is just a dummy business, so it's not really going to make a difference here for me. And once you do that, it should say pending here, and obviously here you can change the cover image, but it should say pending. Now this is going to take a little bit of time for it to process, but you can be rest assured that it is actually going to change for you. And obviously here you can also add a logo while you're in here, if you did not already. So just go ahead and add your logo if you have the proper dimensions for one, and you're pretty much set. Now it's not going to show up right away, because like I said, it does take a little bit of time to process, sometimes 10 minutes, sometimes even more. So it's not going to be clear cut on how long it's actually going to take. And obviously, if you want to change it, feel free to just click on photos one more time, click on change cover, and you'll be able to just go ahead and select the other image that you want. And this is pretty much all for this video. Hopefully you found it to be helpful, and thanks for watching.